What's going on YouTube? This is Inga Simone. I am here today for an unboxing of the latest Beem Box. If you are here and you are not familiar with the Beem Box, it's a black-owned beauty subscription made for black and brown beauties in mind. You can receive some makeup items, some skincare items. One time I got like a whole makeup brush set. I was very happy about that. And they give you full size items to use every 2 months. I've been a subscriber for a whole year now. This is like my 7th box. So they've never let me down, never. I've loved every single box that I have received. If you're interested to see what I use to create this look, please stay tuned. Time to open it. So this box has 5 items in it. So the first item in here is a concealer by the company called Vulgar. Never heard of this company. So I'm interested. Let's see, where is it? Here is the package. Here's the box. Undercover Concealer by Vulgar. There we go. Okay. This lightweight gel serum concealer is formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide coverage for a natural, flawless finish. You can also use this concealer to prime your lids before applying your eyeshadow. Let's open this thing up. I love the rose gold. So this is the color I was sent. And this is in color, what is this, 65? In color 65, and it's called Shady Lady. So this looks like my concealer shade, I believe. The products from Vulgar are cruelty-free and vegan. So the next item is a hydrating SPF serum, and the company is Beauty. Okay. Ooh, I like this packaging. This not just a sunscreen, it's a multi-talented sunscreen. Delivers a broad spectrum SPF 35 and a dose of moisture that lasts 24 hours. Okay. It also wonderfully primes skin for makeup. Apply as the last step of your skincare routine before you apply makeup in 15 minutes before sun exposure. Beauty is cruelty-free and vegan. Sheer Flesh SPF. We'll see about that. Sunscreen can look crazy on my dark skin. I feel like the only sunscreen that I'm comfortable using at the moment is black girl sunscreen, because all the other ones kind of make me look ashy. So we're going to see how this goes. The next item that I have is a lip trio by Jasmine Beauty. Okay, so here is the box right here. Is it gonna focus? Okay, here we go. Lip Trio 3-in-1 on-the-go lippies. This lip trio features 1 liquid lipstick and 2 glosses for added hydration and shine. Formulated with vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and sun protection ingredients. Each product will help retain soft and supple lips. Okay, I like how that sounds. Like when it comes to makeup, like if I don't have time to do a full face, like I have to do a lippy. Like the lips always have to be on point. They always have to look hydrated. Like that's the most important thing to me. So let's open this. I'm excited. Let's see how this looks. Oh, this is cute. Oh, okay. color. I like that. Wait a minute. Okay. So, how do you... Oh, so you pull it out. And you open it this way. This must be a gloss. Okay. So this must be one gloss. Another gloss, and the liquid lipstick. This is a really pretty color. I'm excited to try this. This looks really pretty. You can just pop it back in like that. Okay, Jasmine Beauty. Oh, this is cute. This is so cute. I like this. You can easily throw this in your purse. Like, it's so easy to use if you're on the go. I like this. I ain't used it yet, but I think I have a good feeling about that. Jasmine Beauty is cruelty-free, vegan, and it is a woman-owned business. Okay? I can tell. Yes, I know a woman came up with that. I'm pretty sure it shows. The next item that I have is a mascara, and it's from Chella Beauty. I've tried a few of their products before in previous boxes. Never a disappointment. Here we go, Chella. Here's the box. This moisturizing and buildable mascara brings good drama to your lashes with high-def lengthening and curl that lasts all day long. Lashes that are always coated and never clumpy. The unique brush separates each individual lash. Okay. Okay, I like the sound of that. Let's open this. Let's see what this brush looks like. I'm curious. So this is how it looks out the box. Okay. All right. So this is how the brush is looking. Mascara is another must-have if I can't do my whole face. I need a lippy and mascara. Chella Beauty, their products are cruelty-free and vegan as well. These boxes wouldn't be complete without an eyeshadow palette. So the last item that I have is an eyeshadow palette. It is from Estates Cosmetics. Never heard of it. This palette is called Mystic Force palette. Okay. Ooh, okay. So this is how the packaging is looking. This high pigment palette blends like magic and features 9 shades in a range of formulas, including rich mattes, velvety shimmers, and buttery metallics. Let's see what kind of colors are in here. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, okay. Okay. Nice. Ooh, I like these. This is very nice. That green is really catching my eye. Very, very nice. Are the shades that come in this palette? Mystic Forest by Estates Cosmetics. So this company is cruelty-free, vegan, and it is a woman-owned business. Okay? Once again, a very interesting box. I'm going to get into all of these very, very shortly, and I will come back with the review. Okay, I had to change the top because I didn't think what I had on earlier went with this makeup look. Alright, so I tried everything that was in the Beem Box once again. I loved everything that was inside of it. I love the fact that this sunscreen worked well with my skin. It didn't really have like it shows on clear. There's not like this white cast on my face. I really love that. This concealer was very easy to work with. It feels really nice on the skin. Very gel-like. It's supposed to be a serum as well. It's very buildable. I also used it to prime my eyelids for my eyeshadow. Very, very nice. I really like the color that they sent as well. I'm a fan of this concealer because it feels very lightweight and it gives you a nice amount of coverage as well. This eyeshadow palette by Estate Cosmetics is very pigmented, as it said on the card. I agree with it. I love these colors that they gave. I went with a more neutral look because they gave me a red lip. I will definitely use these greens. I'm really looking forward to using that. Just didn't want to do it today with a red lip. This mascara though, my personal favorite mascara is their Real from Benefit Cosmetics. I think this is right up there with it, with that one. It separated every single lash, and I love this. This is really, really nice. I'm very happy with this mascara. And last but not least, this lip trio. I love the color. I love this shade of red. I feel like I don't really wear red lipstick that often, but I'm a fan of this shade. I kind of messed up and put a little bit of red in this lip gloss, but it's okay. It's no big deal. And I love the packaging. I am such a big fan of the packaging. It's so cute. I just love how it just clicks off and on and easy to travel with. I will definitely be using this more often. So that's it for this unboxing of this month's Beem Box. Be sure to check it out for yourself. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you plan to stay, even though I don't really post that much. But If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.